Hello friends, today we'll learn about what is interpolation in Angular. So basically, interpolation means when we are supposed to bind some property or some value, or we want to display any value on the HTML page, and those value will be embedded inside double curly braces, that is directly called as the interpolation. So let's test it using our application. Here we have created one test component. This is my HTML page which shows you the test works, and this is my TypeScript page, TypeScript file. So here there are some errors. So let me do the npmi. I'm installing node modules. And running the Angular application. If you can see here the test works. Here my test component has been embedded inside the app component. So let's take the example what is interpolation. As I said, if you want to display some property or some value on the HTML page, that's how using interpolation we can do that. So let's take one HTML tag, that is I'm taking same plus a p. So here, as I said, within double curly braces we have to define the variable. So welcome space name, correct. So here this dot name, that's why I'm keeping one string value, that is Angular. So let's go to the, if you can see here, welcome Angular. So here what I did, welcome is the static value, but here the name, this is a dynamic value. The value is assigned inside your TypeScript file, same TypeScript file, inside the class, and that variable we are binding inside the double curly braces. So this is basically called as interpolation. Now in today's session also, let's say we'll check using interpolation what we can do, what we don't do. Let's say I'm taking one more paragraph tag, p tag, and inside here I'm writing same This name. We can do the string concatenation also. Let's say I am taking one more. Two plus 2. One addition property. We'll add two values and display the value using the interpolation. Let's save it and check. So it is 4 now. Let's check the JavaScript property also. Yeah, let me do. Same name dot length. This is on JavaScript property. We will check the length of the value which is assigned to the name variable. Let's save it. 7. This angular's length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7. Let's take one more example. What we can do. Which one? We'll check one more JavaScript property. That is, let's say name dot to uppercase. So what it will do? It will uppercase the value which is assigned to the name variable. Using the interpolation also we can do this. Let's save it and check. Angular. So these are the things we can do using interpolations. So let's check what we cannot do. Let's say I am directly assigning some value to one variable. Let's say a equals to 4. Let's save it and check. You will see there are some errors. We cannot do this kind of assignment operation using the interpolation. For that, what we can do, if we want to execute something, in the same way we have to calculate the value and assign to the variable, and that variable will be binded inside the double curly braces so that the result will be displayed. So this thing we cannot do. One more thing, let's say I am removing this one as this is giving the error. The Windows property, as you know, Windows, let's say dot location dot href. This is the inbuilt term property. So these things also we cannot operate through the interpolation. There is some error, and the error property Windows does not exist on the type test component. We cannot directly show the Windows property using the interpolation. For that, what we need to do, in the same way, let's say I am declaring one more variable, location. This any means you can assign any type of variable to this, any type of value to this location variable. Let's say first thing is blank, and here I am taking this dot location equals to window dot location dot href, and I'm saving this one, and this location variable I can use such interpolation. You can see it will give you the your URL. It will show you the URL. So I hope you got some basic idea regarding the interpolation. Basically, interpolation is when you want to display some dynamic value on directly on the HTML page using the double curly braces. You can declare the interpolation. So I hope you got the idea. I will also add the Angular interpolation tutorial document page in my description box. Please go through it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.